If you want to speed up brainstorming, planning or workshop sessions, learning how to use templates in FigJam is one of the easiest ways to get started. Templates can save you a huge amount of time because instead of building everything from scratch, you can begin with a ready-made layout and simply customize it for your project. In this video, I'll show you how to find templates in FigJam, how to open them, and how to edit them so they fit your workflow. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma and FigJam tips. Let's start with finding templates. First, go to the main Figma dashboard or open your file browser. Once you're there, look at the left sidebar and click Resources. This is where Figma keeps built-in options, team resources, and community content. If you're looking for something more specific, like a wireframe, UI kit, meeting agenda, or brainstorming layout, you can also search the Figma community directly. Just type in the kind of template you need and browse through the results until you find one that matches your goal. Now, once you've found a template you like, click on it to open the preview page. This preview is useful because it lets you see the structure before you commit to using it. You can check the layout, the components, and the overall design to make sure it fits what you need. After that, look for a button that says Use Template, get a copy, or Open in Figma. Depending on the template source, one of these options will duplicate the file into your drafts or open it in your workspace so you can start editing it right away. After the template opens, you can begin customizing it. Click on any text, shape, or frame inside the file to make changes. You can update the content, change colors, switch fonts, resize elements, and move sections around to match your project. If the template has placeholders, replace them with your own information. If it has sections you don't need, you can delete or hide them. The goal is to take the structure that already exists and make it work for your exact use case. One helpful tip is to zoom out first and look at the whole template before editing too much. That way, you can understand how the layout is organized and avoid accidentally changing something important. Then, work section by section so your edits stay clean and easy to manage. If you're using a team template, make sure you keep any shared styling consistent so your FigJam board still looks polished and professional. Templates are especially useful for workshops, planning sessions, user flows, brainstorming boards, retrospectives, and meeting notes. So the more comfortable you get with finding and editing them, the faster you'll be in FigJam. Instead of spending time building the structure yourself, you can focus on the ideas, collaboration, and actual work. And that's how to use templates in FigJam. You've now seen how to find them in resources or the Figma community, how to edit the content to make it your own. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.